Welcome to this chapter. In this session, we will take a quick but insightful tour of the Azure Portal. If you have created your Azure account, you will likely see the starting screen when you log in. Let's explore what's available and how to navigate through the portal effectively. Right now over here, you will notice various features designed to help you familiarize yourself with Azure. Right now, the introductory videos will not be shown because I have created an account earlier. These are introductory videos that provide guidance on using the portal. Simply click on the start to begin exploring these resources. On the top right corner, you will find the account details. This is the account you use to sign up for Azure. For example, in our case, it's our main admin account. If you link your Gmail to a Microsoft account, you will see the information here. Next, let's look at the notification icon. This is where you will receive updates like how much free credits you have remaining as you start using Azure services. This notification will keep you informed about your credit balance every time you log in. Over here, the left hand side, we have a portal menu. You can show hide this using the toggle button. This menu provides quick access to various features such as app service, function apps, and much more. If you ever need to return the main dashboard, just click onto the home. This dashboard acts as your gateway to all Azure services. With just an internet connection, a browser, and the Azure portal, you can access and manage all services Azure offers. Now, let's talk about search functionality. You can use this search bar to find resources, services, or subscription quickly. For example, let's search for subscription. So, I will type subscription and click to the subscription. When it comes to subscriptions, they are tied to your billing. Each account comes with one default subscription. As you use Azure services throughout this course, you will get familiar with managing subscriptions and understanding their purposes. You will also see the navigation tips across the portal to help you understand the layout and functionality better. These tips are especially helpful for beginners. And let's wrap up our quick tour of the Azure portal. We have covered how to navigate, check your account and notifications, use the search bar, and understand subscriptions. As we progress, we will dive deeper into creating and managing resources on Azure.